Hello friends, welcome to Learn with Reason. In this video, we are going to find the value of 6 divided by 3 times 6 divided by 3 equals to what? Here, many students mistakes. They just write 6 divided by 3 times 6 divided by 3 which is equals to 2. Now, 6 divided by 3 times 2 equals to 6. So, 6 divided by 6 equals to 1. But this is not the correct answer for this question. Because according to the order of operations, which is called PEMDAS, PEMDAS, where P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. And we have to solve multiplication and division from left to right. So according to this rule, first we have to solve the bracket. So 6 divided by 3 times 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. Then we have to solve division first from left to right. So 6 divided by 3 equals to 2 times 2 which is equals to 4 is the final answer for this question.